Did you hear there's a new edition in the Virtual Preceptor Shop? It dropped this week, called From Bedside to Dermatology, a step-by-step guide for nurses. I'm always on here talking about how to be a dermatology nurse practitioner. In fact, in the Virtual Preceptor Shop, you'll find the last new edition, which is the Dermatology Nurse Practitioner Starter Kit. And it's my opinion that the best way for NPs to get more presence in derm is to start while you're in nursing. And you're going to have to be proactive about it. You're going to have to go out there and be bold, ask for what you want, because you're not going to get what you need in nursing school. You can click on the link in my bio in the description box to download your digital copy today. There's more than 40 pages in there, and it's a step-by-step guide, literally from building your dermatology-focused CV to seeing actual job announcements, books to read, conferences to attend, organizations to join, and how to optimize your education and training, whether you're about to apply to nursing school, you're in the middle of rotations, or you're about to graduate in the acute care setting, outpatient, long-term care, and LPN and RN. I got you. I really look forward to hearing your feedback. Please continue to bring your questions to me so I can continue to support you in this way. And if you make a purchase and you find it valuable, please leave a review so that I know that it's helpful and that the next person knows that it's of value.